furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body, and always stay away from windows. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch or other low spot and cover your head with your hands. In addition, trained weather spotters have reported a funnel cloud with this storm. See. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Thunderstorm warning for National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm and baseball-size hail located near Punkley, 30 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Punkley, and move indoors to a sturdy building. Avoid windows. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, destructive hail, deadly lightning and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home. Heavy rain quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road.